Oh, think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. You do not. You can start with $100, and here is exactly how. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, all of them let you start with zero minimums. It takes 10 minutes online. Step 2, buy fractional shares of an index fund. You do not need to buy a whole share anymore. If an S&P 500 fund costs $400 per share, you can buy a quarter of a share for $100. The best funds for beginners are VO, VTI, or FXAIX. These track the entire U.S. stock market. You are instantly diversified across hundreds of companies. Step 3, set up automatic investments. Even if it is just $25 per week, automation is the key. You are not relying on willpower. The money moves before you can spend it. Here is the math. Invest $100 per month for 30 years at an 8% average return. You end up with $149,000. That is from just $100 per month. But here is what changes everything. Increase that by $50 per year. So year 1, you invest $100 per month. Year 2, $150 per month. Year 3, $200 per month. Now you end up with $470,000. Same time frame, just small increases. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel like they have enough to start. There is no magic number. $100 invested today is better than $1,000. Invested next year. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start small, start now, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting.